Hello guys, it's your brother Cryptowiizz and welcome to another HBAR update. Yeah, what an interesting week. I mean, there is an ongoing correction of the whole crypto market. Bitcoin topped at roughly $108,000. It's currently trading at $95,000. HBAR has been following the same pattern, although I would say that HBAR is still strong and it's correcting at a very high price. For those who've been watching my videos, I've been talking about two different types of scenario, where the yellow one is more bullish. We're expecting another major top to form here at roughly 49 to 72 cents. The white scenario is more bearish. Yes, based upon that, we have already completed a five-wave move up. Now we are currently in an ABC correction down. That should take us anywhere between 9.9 to 16 cents. And yeah, from a micro point of view, I covered this or used these three support level as a guide and a tool to know which scenario that could unfold. And the last time I recorded, I talked a lot about 28.4 cent level. And I said breaking this should be a minor form of an indication that we are going down in a white scenario or white region here. Um, so I said that these two prices here should be used as a deal breaker, and ultimately the 21.9 cent should be as a big sign that now the white scenario is unfolding. So let us just look at what invalidates the yellow scenario, because if something invalidates yellow scenario, then all of the sign is pointing that we're going down in the white scenario. From a yellow scenario, the yellow scenario is based upon that we are expecting another wage or another major wave to form, and that is based upon that we are currently in a wave 4. And typically this is a maybe a good news for those who are more bullish, and that is based upon usually for a wave 4 we have these types of consolidation. That means that in a way 4, we have a typical an A, B, C, D, E movement, and that is a very huge bull flag. So bull flag is usually created in wave 4 or wave 2, right? And A, B, C, D, E movement is a type of a bull flag. So right now it looks like we are forming an in this type of movement here. The question is what invalidates this type of movement, right? Because if something invalidates it, then we could expect another scenario to fall down there. So right now, you could argue that this wick here was an A wave down. This top here was a B wave. Now we're currently just completed C wave, going up in a D, completing in a E, and then reverse going up, right? So I would say, or the theory goes that going in a C wave, you cannot go below an E wave. So let's just zoom in. I haven't really looked into this. Uh, all right, yeah, maybe it looks like the C wave here is lower than the A wave, and that actually invalidates it because it is impossible that we go down lower than an A wave. So yeah, it was the fastest invalidation of done here for our technical analysis. I didn't think that the C wave was below than the A wave. That means that right now this is a major sign that the white scenario has started while I'm recording here. So yeah, that is an invalidation because this cannot be an A B C D E movement. So what can we expect? Yeah, I would say that still there is a hope, because I would say that breaking. Let us take just horizontal line here, right? The thing that should invalidate this white scenario is breaking above 33 cents, right? So for this yellow scenario to unfold, we should break 33 cents. Nothing has really changed because the chart has been quite boring. I mean, we've just been consolidating and we haven't seen any invalidation. But right now, I could say with a bigger confidence that things are looking as the white scenario is folding. And that means that we have firstly invalidated this ABCDE movement. We have broken the two support level I was covering the last video. The last support level we have is 21.9 cents. but I would say that this too was already a form of a major deal breaker, and also this triangle we see here. So what is the next target to look out for? If we zoom out, you will maybe see it here, because for those who've been watching my video as well, I'll be talking about that within the C wave, you have usually a 5 wave move, right? So this should be the first wave, second, third, fourth, and then a fifth wave. All right. So right now you can easily count that this should be the first wave here. This should be the second, and now we are in a third wave. So the third wave could take us anywhere between 18.9 to 22 cents, right? And third wave, as I said in my previous video, they are really strong. It could go fast, and as you see here, this is a very big wick. It happened just overnight, and you could expect a more type of wave down. So have an eye for this region here. Breaking below 21.9 cents should be the last sign that the white scenario has started, right? And breaking above 33 cents should be a very big sign that things have been shifting. Now we are going to higher prices. Let us just look from a macro point of view. I know a lot of you like looking from a macro point of view. As you see here, that going down in this area is good because we will try to test this top we had, or support level we had, at roughly 12 cents. But as I said before, that this looks like a very big an A wave here. Oh, sorry, this looks like an A wave here, B wave down, and now a C wave that could take us anywhere between 2.17 dollar and $4. So anywhere between $2 to $4 is valid from a technical point of view. Yeah, that was everything I had about HBAR today. If you like the content, feel free to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.